When we hear about a cancer diagnosis, it's usually described as a single cell that mutated, became rogue, and divided without restraint. This narrative frames cancer as an external enemy that must be destroyed with surgery, radiation, or drugs. At a systems level, cancer represents a collapse of internal communication. Years of chronic inflammation, toxin exposure, and nutrient depletion gradually shift the body's environment, making it hospitable for damaged cells to survive and eventually thrive. Rebuilding this internal environment, the terrain, requires a coordinated effort alongside conventional medicine. This focus on metabolic health and cellular resilience addresses the systemic dysfunctions that allowed the disease to emerge. Shifting your focus toward these biological foundations changes your physiology. It moves the nervous system out of a state of fear and into an active role, where you are reshaping the conditions that determine how cancer behaves in your body. In 1931, a biochemist named Otto Warburg received the highest scientific honor for a discovery that changed our understanding of cellular energy. He proved that cancer cells produce energy in a way that is fundamentally different from healthy cells. Warburg observed that even when oxygen is available, cancer cells choose a primitive, inefficient form of energy production. This metabolic shift was so significant it earned him the Nobel Prize, yet the clinical application of this truth was largely sidelined for nearly a century. Healthy cells rely on aerobic respiration. They use oxygen in their mitochondria to produce about 30 units of energy, ATP, from a single molecule of glucose. It is an efficient, clean, and sustainable process. When mitochondria are damaged, cells switch to fermentation as a desperate survival tactic. In this state, the cell ignores oxygen and burns through massive amounts of glucose to produce only 2 units of ATP. This Warburg effect shows us that cancer is a metabolically broken survivalist. It is trapped in an inefficient energy loop, making it heavily dependent on a constant supply of sugar to stay alive. Conventional therapies like chemotherapy and radiation are the most effective tools we have to directly target and eliminate existing cancer cells. These treatments are the foundation of modern oncology. If your house catches fire, you need firefighters to hose down the flames immediately. This is the role of surgery and chemotherapy. They address the immediate, visible threat to the structure. But the fire was caused by faulty wiring in the basement. Terrain restoration is the electrician. While the firefighters deal with the fire, you must also fix the wiring to ensure the house doesn't catch fire again once the emergency crew leaves. Patients can coordinate this with their oncologist by stating, "I am committed to this treatment plan to target the cancer, and I am also implementing a metabolic protocol to strengthen my healthy cells and improve my recovery." Extinguishing the active tumor while simultaneously repairing the systems that allowed it to grow provides the most comprehensive path toward long-term remission. The first direct intervention involves restricting the glucose that fermentation-dependent cells rely on. By lowering blood sugar and insulin levels, you create a metabolic environment that is highly stressful for the tumor. This is achieved by shifting to a targeted ketogenic diet. By reducing net carbohydrates to below 20 grams a day and focusing on healthy fats and leafy greens, you change the primary fuel available in your bloodstream. Adding intermittent fasting further increases this pressure. Confining your food intake to an 8-hour window and fasting for 16 hours forces the body to deplete its glucose stores and transition into a fat-burning state. Healthy cells are metabolically flexible. They can easily switch from burning glucose to burning fat for fuel. Cancer cells with damaged mitochondria lack this flexibility, making them vulnerable when their preferred sugar supply is restricted. Through these dietary changes, your blood becomes a medium that supports healthy tissue while placing the fermentation-dependent cancer cells under constant metabolic stress. Because cancer thrives in hypoxic, low-oxygen environments, increasing oxygen delivery to your tissues is essential. Oxygenation makes the internal terrain hostile to anaerobic fermentation. This is practiced daily through deep breathing exercises, maintaining upright posture to ensure full lung expansion, and regular movement to encourage lymphatic drainage and circulation. While conventional treatments target the cancer, they often inflict collateral damage of the power plants of your healthy cells, the mitochondria. Proactively protecting these power plants is vital during and after treatment. With your doctor's guidance, you can utilize specific mitochondrial supports. CoQ10, magnesium, and alpha-lipoic acid act as shields, maintaining the integrity of energy production in your healthy tissues. This targeted supplementation provides the raw materials your mitochondria need to function, helping your body maintain its energy levels and repair capacity even under the stress of chemotherapy. Flooding the body with oxygen while reinforcing cellular energy systems builds a resilient terrain. It allows healthy cells to outcompete damaged ones and improves the overall effectiveness of your primary treatment. You now have an actionable framework to support your recovery. By restricting glucose, utilizing fasting, prioritizing oxygen, and protecting your mitochondria, you are directly addressing the energy crisis at the heart of cancer. Taking these steps changes how your system functions. It moves you from a state of metabolic collapse toward one of restored balance, communication, and energy efficiency. While these foundations apply to everyone, clinical success depends on personalizing these protocols. Your specific cancer type and blood markers will determine how to best adjust your metabolic and nutrient targets. To begin tailoring this approach to your unique biology, reach out to Dr. Yousef at Dernawi.com. Book your personal assessment today and start the process of fixing the wiring and reclaiming your health.